Hello students, today we have to move for the next continuation part in the lesson Indian water resources. Till yesterday we know about the water multi-purpose river valley project and write the objectives of the multi-purpose river valley project. Today we have to know which are those multi-purpose river valley project, why they are constructed. Okay. The important or the major multi-purpose river valley project of India are, the first one is Damodar Valley project. The first one is Damodar Valley project. The first one is Damodar Valley project. The second one is Bhakra Nangal project. Bhakra Nangal project. These are the important multi-purpose river valley project of India. Keep in mind. The third one is Hirakud project. Hirakud project. Fourth one is Tungabhadra project. Tungabhadra project. And the fifth one is Upper Krishna project. Upper Krishna project. Sixth one is Kosi project, Rihan Valley project, Nagarjuna Sagara project. Kosi project. Next, seventh one is Rihan Valley project. Rihan Valley project. And the eighth one is Nagarjuna Sagara project. Nagarjuna Sagara multi-purpose river valley project. These are the important multi-purpose river valley projects of India. Keep in mind. So, which are the important or the major multi-purpose river valley projects of India? One is Damodar Valley project. The second one is Bhakra Nangal project. Third one is Hirakud project. Fourth one is Tungabhadra project. Sixth one is Kosi Upper Krishna project. And next one is Kosi project. The next one is Rihan Valley project. Last one is Nagarjuna Sagara multi-purpose river valley project. So in that, first we have to know about the Damodar river valley project. So this is the first multi-purpose river valley project. It is the first multi-purpose river valley project of India, which is the Damodar river valley project, and it is the joint venture between the Bihar and Bengal. It is the joint venture between Bihar and West Bengal. Okay, keep in mind. Damodar River Valley project is the first multi-purpose river valley project, and it is the joint venture between the Bihar and West Bengal. Okay, I mean both the states, both the Bihar and the West Bengal states join together and construct the one dam that is called as the Damodar River Valley project. Across which river? Across the Damodar river. Okay, the main objectives of the Damodar River Valley project is same. What you learnt already, the objectives of the multi-purpose river valley project, that is same. Okay, so the main objectives, if you learn that objectives of the multi-purpose river valley project, you can write the same for everything. Okay, so the main objectives of the multi-purpose river valley project, Damodar multi-purpose river valley project, is first one is to control a flood. I told you already, main thing is to control a flood. Almost the objective of all the river valley project is controlling a flood, and they provide the irrigation for the agricultural field. I mean provide water to the agricultural field, provide irrigation. Next, generation of hydroelectricity. So these are the main objectives for all the multi-purpose river valley project. Other thing is providing drinking water or providing water to the industries, and providing water, prevent the soil erosion, or the creating of afforestation. Those are the other objectives. The main objectives of this Damodar Valley project is controlling of a flood, provide a water for irrigation. Next, produce the hydroelectricity. So this is about the Damodar River Valley project. Okay, I will recall you again. Damodar River Valley project is the first multi-purpose river valley project in India, and it is the joint venture. Venture means agreement. Don't get confusion. I mean mean both the states are agreed to construct a dam by bearing their expense. Okay, how much the expense is there to construct the dam, that expense has divided by both the states, that is called the Bihar and West Bengal, and it is benefited for the both the states also, lot of benefited for the Bihar and the West Bengal. Okay, so that's why it is a joint venture between the Bihar and West Bengal. The main objective, and it is constructed across the which river? Across the Damodar river. Across the Damodar river. The main objectives of the Damodar River Valley project is controlling the flood, irrigation, providing a water for the irrigation, and producing the hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity in the sense production of electricity by the water sources or water energy, that is called as the hydroelectricity. Next one, that is the Bhakra Nangal project. Keep in mind, it is the first river valley project and it is the highest dam. It is highest dam in India, which is the Bhakra Nangal Dam. Bhakra Nangal Dam is the highest dam in India, and it is the joint venture between the Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Punjab, Haryana, H and Rajasthan, PHR. Keep in mind. Okay. So here three states are joined together and constructed dam, and all the three states getting benefited. Okay, getting benefited. That is Punjab, P for Punjab, H for Haryana, and R for Rajasthan. Bhakra Nangal Dam is the highest dam in India. So it is the joint venture between Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan, and the dams are constructed across the Sutlej river, across, not Bhakra, don't write Bhakra Nangal river actually, across this is same actually, but it is, the dams are constructed across the Sutlej river, keep in mind. Okay, across the which river? Across the Sutlej river, S-A-T-L-E-G, at which place? At the place of Bhakra and Nangal. Okay, both that place Bhakra and Nangal join together. In that place the dam is constructed across which river? Across the Sutlej river, across Sutlej river. Okay, and the main objectives of the dam almost it is the same. So which is that to prevent the flood and to provide the water for irrigation and also to produce the hydroelectricity. That objectives are same. Okay, and also provide a water for drinking, provide water for industries. You can add many. Okay, for that what I told in the objectives of a multi-purpose river valley project. So the same thing you can add. And the reservoir, which are the reservoirs are constructed by this dam, that is by the Bhakra Nangal Dam. The reservoir is constructed is Govinda Sagara. So what is mean by reservoir actually? Tributaries means sub-rivers. I think you know about that, right? Okay, so the overflow of the water from the dam has collected in some lake like that. That is called as the reservoir. Okay, a small lake, sarovara anta heltare. So that is the Govinda Sagara. Okay, I mean if that dam also, I mean Bhakra Nangal Dam is also overflow by that time. Okay, to avoid the overflow of a river, Sutlej river, Bhakra Nangal Dam has constructed. If the Bhakra Nangal Dam has also overflow, to collect that water, overflowed water, one lake has constructed, that is called as the reservoir. So which is that? The Govinda Sagara. The reservoir created by this dam is Govinda Sagara. This is about the Bhakra Nangal. I'll recall you again. Bhakra Nangal project or the Bhakra Nangal Dam is the highest dam in India. It is the joint venture between the Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Okay, the dam, Bhakra Nangal Dam, has constructed across the Sutlej river at the place of Bhakra and Nangal. The main objectives of the Bhakra Nangal river valley project are control the flood, provide the water for irrigation and also production of electricity, provide the water for drinking, provide the water for industry, like that. Many, all the objectives you can write. And the reservoir has created by this dam as Govinda Sagara. Okay. Next is about the third one, that is the Hirakud project. So this Hirakud project is the longest dam in India. Highest dam is Bhakranangal. Keep in mind, may they can ask you for the examination, for the MCQ. That's why you have to concentrate on that. First dam is Damodar Valley. Highest dam is Bhakranangal. Longest dam is Hirakud. Okay, it is the longest dam in India. The dam is constructed. Hirakud dam has constructed across the Mahanadi river. Across which river? Across Mahanadi river. Very important. Okay, so across the Mahanadi river. At which place? At the Hirakud place. It is also the name of a place, not the name of a river. Only it is the name of a river. It is the name of a place. Hirakud. Bhakranangal is also the name of the place. Across the Mahanadi river, at the place of Hirakud, the main objectives are same, which is that the controlling the flood, provide water for irrigation, and also the production of hydroelectricity. Okay, so this is about the Hirakud project. Okay, you can add the objectives more. Okay, so this is about the Hirakud project. I'll recall you again. Hirakud project is the longest, very longest project in India. This dam has constructed across the Mahanadi river, where at Hirakud, and the main objectives of the Hirakud project is controlling of flood, then the providing water for irrigation, and also help for the production of hydroelectricity. This is about the Hirakud project. Next, the third one is Tungabhadra project. Okay, Tungabhadra project. I think you heard about the Tungabhadra. Tungabhadra is the Karnataka project only, right? So it is the joint venture between Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. So it is the joint venture between which state? Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Keep in mind. Okay. And here don't ask that Hirakud project is only that Orissa country has spent amount, and Orissa country only get benefited actually. But Tungabhadra project is a joint venture between the Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. A dam is constructed at the place of Tungabhadra. Okay, at the place of Tungabhadra across the Tungabhadra river, across the Tungabhadra river at Mallapuram near Hosapete. Okay, Tungabhadra, both are the two rivers actually, Tunga and Bhadra, where they are joined together. That river is called as the Tungabhadra river. The dam is constructed across the Tungabhadra river only, where nearby Hosapete. In Hosapete, Mallapuram near Hosapete. Mallapuram near Hosapete. Hosapete, I think you know about that. It is in Ballari, Hosapete. Yes, okay. Tungabhadra river. Tungabhadra river is the Karnataka multi-purpose river. Tungabhadra River Valley project is the Karnataka multi-purpose river valley project. It is the joint venture between the Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. The dam, Tungabhadra dam, is constructed across the Tungabhadra river only. It is not a place. Across the Tungabhadra river only, where at Mallapuram near Hosapete. At Mallapuram near Hosapete, and the objectives are same actually. What is that? To control the flood, to provide the irrigation, and also to produce the hydroelectric electricity, and also we can add for that provide the water for drinking, provide the water for industries, provide the developing the fishery, inland fisheries, like that. Okay, those are all comes under the objectives only. Objectives are same. If you learn the first one, you can add for all the thing. Okay, but main thing you have to know, venture between which countries and where it has constructed, across which river, and the specialities in the sense first, highest, longest, like that. Okay, so if you know that, then the remaining is same. Okay, so this is about the Tungabhadra project. The next one, fifth one is Upper Krishna River Valley project. Upper Krishna River Valley project is the biggest project, biggest multi-purpose project in India. Okay, don't get confusion. Damodar Valley project is the first multi-purpose river valley project. Bhakra Nangal is the highest multi-purpose river valley project. Hirakud is the longest multi-purpose river valley project, and Upper Krishna River Valley project is the biggest dam in India. Biggest dam in India. So this dam, Upper Krishna Dam, is constructed across the Krishna River. Across which river? Across the Krishna River. The name itself says, right? Okay. Across the Krishna River, where nearby Alamatti and Narayanapura. It is also Karnataka dam actually, nearby Alamatti. Where it is Alamatti? Alamatti is nearby Bijapura. Okay. Alamatti and Narayanapura. So where these two places are meet, so it is also known as Alamatti Dam or Narayanapura Dam. Like that, it is famous in that place. Okay, where it is in Bijapura. Okay. And this is also one of the Karnataka project, which is Upper Krishna project. The dam is constructed across the Krishna River nearby the Alamatti and Narayanapura. The objectives are same, which is that control the flood, provide water for irrigation, and also produce the electricity, provide water for drinking water. The same. Those are all the objectives are same. This is about the Upper Krishna River Valley project. I'll recall you again. Upper Krishna River Valley project is the biggest dam in India. It is the biggest dam in India. The dam has constructed across the Krishna River only, where nearby Alamatti and Narayanapura. Where it is Alamatti? It is in Bijapur. Okay. And the objectives of the Upper Krishna project is same. That is the controlling of a flood, providing water for irrigation, and also providing water for drinking, and helps to produce a hydroelectricity. This is about the Upper Krishna project. Okay, concentrate on that. Damodar dam has constructed across the Damodar river only. Bhakra Nangal has constructed across the Satluj river. Hirakud has constructed across the Mahanadi river. Tungabhadra dam is constructed across the Tungabhadra river only. Upper Krishna has constructed across the Krishna river only. You can concentrate, except a few, almost that river it will be there only. Okay, and that is also very important. The next remaining three I'll explain you in a next period. Okay, thank you. Keep watching. Hope you will understand better.